Next, we'll move to question number 23. Okay. Question number 23, page number 117. Anthony and Ranjit started a business on 1st April 2018 with capitals of rupees 4 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. According to the partnership deed, Anthony is to get a salary of rupees 90,000 per annum. Ranjit is to get 25% commission on profit after allowing salary to Anthony and interest on capital at 5% per annum. But after charging such commission, profit sharing between the two partners is 1:1. During the year, the firm earned a profit of rupees 3,65,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The firm closes its accounts on 31st March every year. So here in this question also what is asked, you are asked to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So what did I tell you? First what you have to do? First you have to take and put the profit whatever is given in the question. So that you write it here on the credit side by profit and loss account. What is the profit given in the question? 3,65,000. 3,65,000. Okay. Now after writing the profit, what you have to do? You have to make the adjustments. So what are the adjustments given in the question? One by one we will do it. Okay. So first adjustment, Anthony is to get a salary. We are giving salary for Anthony. So salary where we have to write? You have to put it on the debit side. So write here. To Anthony's salary. How much you are giving? 90,000. After salary, what is the next adjustment you have to do? You have to calculate interest on capital. You have to calculate interest on capital. How much percentage? 5%. So interest on capital where we have to write? That also we have to put it on the debit side. So write here. To interest on capital account. So that you have to give for Anthony and Ranjit. So what is Anthony's capital? 4 lakh into 5%. So 5 by 100. Ranjit's capital 3 lakh. 3 lakh into 5 by 100. So that will give you 20,000 and 15,000. Add both. Write it here. 35,000. So salary you have written, capital you have written. What is the next adjustment given? Next what you have to do? You have to give commission for Ranjit, but what you have to do? It has to be given after making these two adjustments. Whatever profit we are getting, after making these two adjustments, on this only we have to give commission for Ranjit. So what you have to do? You have to roughly calculate this and find out the profit. When you come to this point, what you have to do? This 3,65,000 minus these two, that is 1,25,000. Have to calculate the profit before commission. So profit before commission is equal to 3,65,000 minus 1,25,000. That will give you 2,40,000. Okay. Now see the question, read the question carefully. What is given? You have to give the commission to the partner. What you have to do? After allowing salary and interest on capital. Already I told you, if the word after is given, what you have to do? Whatever is the percentage, that has to be shown in the denominator also. Okay. So what is the formula? Commission is equal to net profit before commission into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. So what is the profit you got? You got 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 into, you have to give 25% commission. So 25 divided by 100 plus 25. So that will give you 2,40,000 into 25 by 125. So you will get 48,000 rupees commission. Okay, rupees 48,000 is the commission. Understood? So what I did, first I wrote salary, then I wrote capital. Then find the profit now. You find the profit, this minus this, that will give you 2,40,000. So this is the profit before commission. So on this profit you have to calculate and find the commission. So that will be 48,000. Now take that 48,000 and write it here. So write here, to Ranjit's commission, that is 48,000. Now again calculate now. So this total profit is 3,65,000. So that minus this, now add all these three, find the profit again. So that profit should be transferred to the partners capital account. So partners capital account, its profit. Okay. So what is the difference between these two? You will get 1,92,000. Put the total. Now this 1,92,000, what you have to do? You have to give for both the partners. That is for Anthony and Ranjit. What is the ratio given in there? 1:1. Okay. So 1,92,000 into 1 by 2, 1:1. So 1 divided by 2, again 1,92,000 into 1 by 2. So half of, so that will give 96,000, 96,000. Understood? So the total profit is 1,92,000. Okay, that is divided and transferred to both the partners capital account. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.